shall stand in his holy place. The clean of hands and pure of heart, whose soul is not set on vain things. Let the Lord enter. He is the King of glory. Blessings from the Lord shall he receive, and right reward from the God who saves him. Such are the people who seek him, who seek the face of the God of Jeppu.